spanner. For the first time over 3 years now. Wow. Jesus. This guy is a chopper. I've watched one of his clips. And some people said I should bring this guy to Spanner again and try him and Spanner again. This one is Bama, this one is Spanner. You know, it's Spaba, Bama, it sounds same. So now we have 10 fufu. Actually, we wanted to make this thing 15. But we decided to do it 10. Let's see how it will go. So I don't know if you're ready.
Spanner, are you ready?
Spanner, are you ready?
Okay.
Spanner, do your thing, oh. Try to do your thing.
No,
Alright, let's see.
I just with that.
Yes.
Okay.
So are you ready? Start!
Spanner.
Jesus!
Let's go and see Arnold. You see Arnold.
They're down.
Wait.
This did not happen. My God. Bama, Aradukai.
Mama, wait till you carry go.
Blood of God.
Jesus.
Sana wada na.
Blood of God.
Jesus.
Wait, this one.
Baba, wait first. Wait.